Hello, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today we are just doing some barbecue riblets. I'm gonna be using this Kinder's. It's a brown sugar rub, and then I'm gonna also use Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon, and then a sweet smoky rub. So yes, I'm gonna combine the three. Half of the time this will be cooked in a pressure cooker, and then the other part of the time it will be cooked in the oven. So I'm going to just put a generous amount on these riblets before I put them in the rack that's in my pressure cooker. I've already added some water to the pressure cooker. This smells so good, you guys. I'm also gonna mix a barbecue sauce. It's a barbecue sauce, and then another sauce that I like together. And then I'm going to be making some scalloped potatoes to pair with these. If you've never tried the Kinder's brand, if they sell it in your area, or if you have a Kroger's, you should definitely check it out. I know the Kroger's in my area, they normally run about $6.99 a bottle, but they're a nice size bottle. They're about, what is this? About 5 ounces. So it's a nice size bottle. I also just picked up another one of their seasonings. So as you can tell, I just added a nice amount on here. I just picked up another one of their seasonings. It's a all-purpose meat and veggie rub. I might sprinkle a little bit on it. I've never used it before. So let me see if I can take this off. Let me take this off, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this. It's an all-purpose seasoning that I picked up from the store here recently. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. I've never had this before, but we'll see how it goes. So now I do have like a rack that I'm gonna lay these on. And then I'm gonna pressure cook these for like probably about 20 minutes, and then they're gonna go in the oven. So I'm gonna pressure cook these and then put them in the and then I will come back after I take them out of the pressure cooker. So I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I'm just waiting for my pressure cooker to unpressurize so I can take them out. While I'm doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix Let me see how much that is. Okay. This together. So I'm gonna mix. This was some Sweet Baby Ray hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. I'm also gonna add, for a little bit of spice, this tiger sauce. I like the way it tastes, so I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add some of this to my barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna add some hot honey and some regular honey. And I didn't get it down, so let me try to get that, and then I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay. I don't know if this is, let me see. I'm only going to put a little bit of this hot honey because, you know, I just added a little bit of kick. I add honey because I think it thickens up the sauce. And then I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar to it. So I do kind of doctor up the barbecue sauce. And yeah, this is how I try to reserve it and keep it fresh and all of that stuff. So okay. So now, just going to put this back in the Ziploc bag. All I'm going to do is mix this stuff together and it'll be pretty much good to go. And it seems like my pressure cooker is finished releasing the pressure. So I should be able to just take the, hold on. Take the lid off of it. Okay. And then put this back in this Ziploc bag. My food will be almost done. It should be done in about by probably about 9:15 or so. Okay. I have like a brush that I'm gonna use to oh yeah, put this on. I'm gonna set this to the side and take this lid off. Okay. if y'all don't see how tender these things are already, they are super, super tender. Oh. Let me see. Okay. So as y'all can see, they are super, super tender. I'm gonna put this back here. And then, I'll probably put a little bit of this juice. Just a little bit of it. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going dang, this thing been going for 6 minutes. So let me try to see if I can get this sauce on here really fast, y'all. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this leftover sauce to the side just for when they come out the oven. So I'm going to put these in the oven for like an additional 15 minutes. So they got sauce on them. And then I will come back for the finishing product. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So they just came out of the oven and this is what they look like, just so you can see. So they're still pretty, they have plenty of sauce on them and they are pretty tender. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video. These are really, really good and I love that sauce. So if you like a little extra kick and you can find that tiger sauce in your area, definitely give it a try. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your girl a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until I drop the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.